What if the police are watching you right now, but you don't even know it? Sometimes the signs are clear, like handcuffs and arrests. Other times, the clues are subtle. Friends getting strange calls, unexpected questions, or someone showing up pretending to be a friend. Ignoring these signs can cost you everything. In this video, we reveal 7 crucial ways to know if you're under investigation and what to do before it's too late. Don't miss this vital info that could protect your freedom. Obvious signs. Sometimes it is very clear when you are under investigation. For example, imagine you leave a bar and get into a fight. Police arrive and put you in handcuffs. Then, you are taken to the police station to be fingerprinted. In this case, you definitely know that you are under arrest and being investigated. This is the most obvious situation. But remember, not all investigations start so clearly. If you find yourself in handcuffs or being questioned at the police station, that is a sure sign you are the focus of an investigation. It means the police have enough reason to suspect you. If you see police approaching you in this way, do not ignore it. Stay calm and remember your rights. Being aware of these obvious signs early on can help you prepare and get the right help from a lawyer immediately. Knowing this can protect your rights and your future. Subtle clues. Not all investigations are obvious. Sometimes, you might not even realize that the police are watching you. You could hear from friends that officers have been calling them, asking questions about you. Or detectives might ask you to come to the police station just to talk. This can feel harmless, but it might be a sign that you are under investigation. You might think, I'll just go and clear things up, but that can lead to an arrest. Police sometimes use these subtle tactics to gather information. They might send an informant or someone pretending to be friendly to get close to you. That person might suddenly show up asking about illegal activities or your connections. If people around you start asking strange or unusual questions about your activities or whereabouts, take it seriously. These subtle clues mean you could be under investigation. It's best to stay alert, avoid giving any information, and contact an attorney immediately to protect yourself before things get worse. Police questions. When the police start asking questions, it can be a sign that you're under investigation. Sometimes, officers may call you or visit to get information about an event or activity they are looking into. They might say they just want to talk or clear up some confusion. But remember, even if it feels casual, police questioning can lead to trouble. You have the right to refuse to answer their questions. You are not required to talk to police or answer any questions without a lawyer present. Many people make the mistake of thinking that if they explain their side, everything will be okay. But anything you say can be used against you later in court. If police ask you to come to the station for questioning, be careful. Do not go without your attorney. Talking to the police without legal advice can lead to self-incrimination, even if you are innocent. Always remember, you have the right to remain silent and ask for a lawyer before speaking to police. This can protect your rights and your future. Being asked to visit. Sometimes police will ask you to come to the station to answer questions. This might sound like a simple request, but it's important to understand your rights. If the police are only asking you to come in voluntarily, you have the right to say no. You are not required to go or answer any questions without a lawyer present. However, if the police have a warrant or officially order you to come in, you must comply. Not obeying a warrant can lead to arrest. But if they don't have a warrant, you can refuse and should contact an attorney immediately. Many people think going to the station to clear things up will help their case, but it can actually lead to trouble. Talking without a lawyer may give police information they can use against you. Always be polite but firm. Say you want to speak with a lawyer first, and do not answer questions until your attorney is present. This protects your rights and prevents accidental self-incrimination. Informants warning. One important and often overlooked sign that you might be under investigation is the use of police informants. Informants are people who work with the police to provide information about criminal activity. Sometimes, they wear wires or make controlled purchases of illegal items. Other times, informants work quietly, without obvious signs. For example, a person arrested for possession of drugs might be told by police, "If you cooperate and help us, you could get a lighter sentence." The person, fearing jail time, agrees to help. That person then might start asking you questions about drugs, stolen goods, or other illegal activities. This is a strong warning sign that you are being watched. Informants can be friends, acquaintances, or even strangers who try to get close to you under false pretenses. They report everything they hear and see back to the police. You might not realize you are being investigated until it is too late. It is very important to be aware of who you talk to and what you say. Avoid discussing anything illegal or sensitive with anyone, especially if you feel pressured or uncomfortable. Remember, anything you say to an informant can be used against you in court. If you suspect that someone might be working as an informant, or that the police are trying to gather information about you through others, it is crucial to contact an experienced attorney immediately. Your lawyer can help you understand your rights and advise you on how to protect yourself. Always be cautious and protect your privacy, because informants are a key tool police use to build cases against people under investigation. Avoid talking. One of the biggest mistakes people make when under investigation is talking too much to the police. When officers ask questions, they often try to get you to say things that can be used against you later. Even if you are innocent, talking without a lawyer can cause serious problems. You have the right to remain silent. This means you don't have to answer any questions or explain yourself without a lawyer present. Police officers may try to convince you that talking will help your case, but this is often not true. Anything you say can be recorded and used as evidence. Sometimes officers write down what they think you meant, not exactly what you said, which can hurt your defense. The safest option is to politely say, "I'm going to remain silent and want to speak with my attorney." Avoid discussing your case with anyone except your lawyer. Talking freely can accidentally lead to self-incrimination, even if you did nothing wrong. Always protect your rights and get legal advice first. Call an attorney. If you think you are under investigation, the most important step is to call a criminal defense attorney immediately. A lawyer can protect your rights and guide you through the legal process. Many people wrongly believe that cases will just go away if they don't act, but this is not true. An experienced attorney knows how to handle investigations and can stop police from taking unfair advantage of you. They will advise you on when to talk, what to say, and when to stay silent. Having a lawyer by your side reduces the risk of mistakes that could hurt your case. Don't wait until you are arrested or charged. Even if police only ask questions or want to meet, contact a lawyer first. Your lawyer will protect you, help avoid unnecessary trouble, and work to get the best possible outcome. Remember, your freedom and future depend on acting quickly and smartly. Always call an attorney as soon as you suspect you are under investigation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more important legal tips. Have you ever felt like someone was watching you or asking unusual questions? What would you do if you realized you were under investigation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay alert and protect your rights. And don't miss our next video. What should you do if the police call you to the station? Stay safe and informed.